Dental implant procedure. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are placed into your jaw to support a prosthetic tooth. If you have lost one or more teeth due to periodontal disease, an injury, or any other reason, you may want to consider dental implants as an alternative to dentures. In the initial stages of dental implant surgery, your dentist will remove the problematic tooth first. After the region has healed, your dental surgeon will put the dental implant in the spot where your tooth is missing. Next, the tooth root implant, which is a small post made of titanium, is placed into the bone socket of the missing tooth. As the jawbone heals, it grows around the implanted metal post, anchoring it securely in the jaw. Once the implant has bonded to the jawbone, a small connector post, called an abutment, is attached to the post to securely hold the new tooth. A replacement tooth, called a crown, is then attached to the abutment. Because the implant is secured within the jawbone, the replacement teeth look, feel, and function just like your own natural teeth. Our professional and expert dentists at Shifa Dental can help you achieve a healthy and shining smile that you'll be proud to show off. Please call us to schedule an appointment at one of our locations, Plano or Garland, or visit our website, www.shifadental.net, to schedule online.